Good day, students. I am Mr. Hendra, and today I will talk to you about cells. We begin with what is a cell. A cell is the smallest unit of life. It is the smallest part of our body system that can function. A human is made up of trillions of cells. A number of cells will form an organ. Many organs will form a body system, and many body systems will form our whole body. It's like a building block. We build with one block, and each cell represents one block. Cells come in different shapes and sizes, both in plants or in animals, and also in humans. In human, the smallest cell is the sperm cell, and the largest cell is the ovum cell, and all the other cells are in between. Today we will talk about the similarities and differences in animal and plant cells. Are you ready? This is what an animal cell generally looks like. A cell is made up of smaller parts that helps it to function properly. A typical animal cell is made up of vacuoles, nucleus, cell membrane, the cytoplasm, and chromosome inside the nucleus. Vacuoles are small cavities inside the cell, which is used in digestion of the cell. Vacuoles are spread all around the cell. They play a lot of different functions according to the need of each cell. The nucleus is the most important part of a cell. It controls everything that happens inside the cell. It's like the brain of the cell. Inside the nucleus, there are found many chromosomes. Chromosomes are thread-like structures that carries information about how each cell should function. Your traits that you get from mom and dad are also stored in the chromosomes. This is the cell membrane. Cell membrane is like the walls of the cell. In animal cell, the membrane is a soft, thin layer that surrounds the cytoplasm. The shapeless wall holds everything inside the cell and controls what substances can go in and out of a cell. Cytoplasm are found inside the cells. It's like a jelly-like substance that helps transport all the food and oxygen needed by the cell all around the cell. Many other activities also happen inside the cytoplasm. Next up is the plant cell. This is what the typical plant cell looks like. It is a box-shaped cell. The typical plant cell consists of vacuoles, chloroplasts, cell wall, cytoplasm, and the nucleus. The vacuoles in plants is found in the center. Unlike animal cell, in plants there is only one large vacuole. It contains the cell sap or liquid that keeps the cell firm in shape. This is helpful to let the plant stand upright, as plants do not have bones or skeletal system. Chloroplasts. These are tiny green structures that can be found all around the cytoplasm of a plant cell. It contains the chlorophyll, which is necessary for plants in order to make food or photosynthesize. These are only found on plants. This is the cell wall of a plant cell. It is the outermost part of a cell. It is more firm than animal cell and gives the shape for the cell. The cytoplasm in plant cells function quite like the ones in animal cells. It helps transport important substances all throughout the cell. And this is the nucleus. It is still the most important part of a plant cell and helps control how a cell do its functions correctly. So, to make it simple, both the animal and the plant cell parts function quite similar to one another. The most important differences are that there are lots of vacuoles inside an animal cell, whereas in plant cell there is only one. And the other one is that the animal cells may change shape because the walls are not firm, but the plant cells do not change in shape and they are more firm. Thank you for watching.